Setting up and maintaining AHN's PeaceFilter kit. We have here the components of an AHN filter kit along with two buckets with 13 16-inch holes drilled in them. The filter kit components are seen below. There's a spigot, the main filter, a hook for the main filter, and a pre-filter connected to tubing. There is also included in the kits a syringe for back flushing the filter. Each bucket has a 13 16-inch hole about 1.5 inches from the bottom of the bucket. The pre-filter will be connected to the top bucket containing the unfiltered water. One washer will go on either side of the bucket wall. The pre-filter is separated from the tubing adapter along with one of the washers. We will now place the tubing adapter into the 13 16-inch hole, place the washer on the other side, and screw the pre-filter into the tubing adapter. The second washer is placed inside the bucket around the tubing adapter. Then the pre-filter is screwed onto the tubing adapter. We will now connect the filter to the end of the tubing. There is an arrow on the filter indicating the direction of flow and how it must be connected. The back of the arrow should be connected to the tubing. The receiving bucket also has a 13 16-inch hole about 1.5 inches from the bottom of the bucket. In this hole, the spigot will be placed. The spigot assembly has a nut and two washers. One of the washers should be removed. A washer will be placed on either side of the bucket wall. The spigot is attached to the outside of the bucket. The washer and the nut are screwed in to the other side. A lid is placed on top of the bucket with a hole in the lid. We now have a functional water filtration system. The top bucket contains the unfiltered water. The bottom bucket contains the filtered water. The direction of the arrow points into the bucket containing the filtered water with the spigot. After some time, the filter may begin to get a little bit clogged and filter water more slowly. In this case, the filter can be back flushed and cleaned. Back flushing the filter is necessary to maintain the water filtration system. Before back flushing, the top bucket must be empty. To back flush the filter, we first fill a syringe with clean water. Then the syringe is connected to the end of the filter and the water will be pushed back through the system. This will be repeated several times. The syringe is connected to the end of the filter that the arrow is pointed towards. A hook is included for hanging the filter when the system is not in use.